Find the sum of the first 30 terms of an arithmetic progression, that means arithmetic sequence, with the first term 8 and common difference 5. So when you hear this arithmetic sequence or progression lingo, right away we're interested in finding the sum of the first 30, all 30. So we're not interested in just the individual term formula, but we're involving the entire sum. So we're going to either use this formula here or this formula here. Now what information are we given? We're given u1, the first term, or t1, is equals to 8, the first guy. The common difference means d is equals to 0.5. N, there's 30 terms, so n equals 30. Which formula looks more appropriate for the information that we're given? We have u1, d, and n. This formula down here has a d, so we're probably going to use this one here. In fact, if you're tempted to use this formula here, un, we don't know, because un, please remember, means the last term, the last number, but we don't have that information in this question here. So let's use this formula down here. Okay, so we're going to use this formula here, this beautiful formula. And we have Sn. You can just write Sn, but we know that n is 30, so I'll just be a geek and write it in. S30 is equals to n, which we know is 30, divided by 2, all multiplied by something, which is the inside part here. 2 times u1, which we're given as 8, and this is going to be plus, and we have a bracket, and we have a d here. So what's n minus 1d? n, once again, is 30. Minus 1d, and d is given as 0.5. All right. So the rest is pretty easy. We just have to be careful with your algebra. 30 divided by 2 is 15. And we're going to change colors just to make it a bit more exciting. Okay, 8 times 2 is 16. And then just be careful with your bed mass. 30 minus 1 is 29. And then we're going to be multiplying this by 0.5. Okay, I'm going to fast forward, use my calculator at the speed of light, and the answer is? And so the answer is 457.5. So the sum of the first 30 numbers, or the 30 terms in this arithmetic progression, is 457.5.